So this is the audio from my iPhone 14 internal microphone. And now this is the audio from my BOYA BY-M1. Both the videos are in RAW format so you can get a proper detail of the audio. Okay, from now on you will be listening the audio which is edited in Premiere Pro and Audacity and recorded using this BOYA BY-M1. So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? This is Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing this BOYA by-M1. So let's get started. So this is the packet which I received from Flipkart, which contains our mic. First we'll tear this out so that we can remove the box outside from this packet. We'll keep this aside. Moving towards the packet, you get inside a box and a bill. Talking about the pricing, you can see the price over here, but the price I will be telling you in the end does matter, so watch the video till the end. Talking about the box, the details are mentioned on the box very properly, and yeah, that's it for the box. We'll open this box from the top. This is how it looks after opening. Inside this you get a pouch where you get everything inside that pouch, leaving the documentation. In documentation you will get the warranty card which contains some Chinese text maybe inside it. Okay, keeping this aside, moving to the next document, it is the user manual, which is really big. After that, moving to this, okay, these are few stickers which you also receive, on which it is written BOYA. Then you receive this cover, which is a very good quality cover. You can use it for traveling purposes and you can keep your mic and all accessories in this. It also has this rope on top which can be used very precisely. Moving to the next thing, you also get this thing. This is a silica gel which can be used to keep the moisture out from the packet. Then this small packet, you receive too many things which are very important. So let's open this first. After opening, there are few things inside. Okay, so this is the connector which you can use for your DSLRs and all. Then this is the clip which you can use to mount your mic on your collar. Then this is the windshield and the battery. The battery you have to plug in inside the microphone. Okay, so this is the microphone and you really get a very big wire with it, and this is the microphone where you can put the windshield on top of it. Okay, and this thing which I was talking about, switching the switch, you can connect to your DSLR and record video as well as your smartphone. Inside this, first you have to remove this thing and place the battery, so that only you can connect this to your DSLR and record the audio properly. This cable seems really long. We'll be talking about this in later part of the video. And this is the 3.5mm jack. That's it about the unboxing. Okay, talking about the mic review, I am using this from past 3 years now, and I suggested this one same for my friend as well. Some of the major key highlights of this microphone is it is omnidirectional, which is the first thing. Omnidirectional means it will be recording all the surrounded audio, like 360 audio for you. Then the second thing is the length of the cable. So the cable is so long, it is around 20 feet, so that you can easily mount your mobile on tripod so long from you and record the video. Then the third point, which is the most important, is it is suitable for smartphone as well as DSLRs. So you get a connector inside the box itself, which you can use to connect this microphone with your DSLR, and you have to turn on the switch. That's it. It's a very simple process. Okay, so the final takeaway from this video might be, if you're a beginner on YouTube and you wanted to record some good audio for your videos, then this is a go-to device for you guys. Since we are talking about the budget, we brought this microphone for 797 rupees, whereas I have seen on some graphs on Flipkart where it shows that the microphone lowest price was 639 rupees. Okay, so are you thinking about how I got to know about this? So here is a video for you guys. Check this video out after this video so that you will also get to know when you can buy the proper device for yourself online. And it works for Amazon, Flipkart and various other apps too. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.